the intercepts are given, the equation of a line can be written in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. The line is passing through 2 points. One point is 4, 5 and the other point is 0, 2. That means we can take any point as in consider with respect to x1 and y1. Our required line is perpendicular to this line, which means if two lines are perpendicular, the product of their slope is equal to -1. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is your Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidhyaashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. In this session, we are going to study the another form of an equation of representing a line, that is the intercept form. So last session, we have learned the point slope form, 2-point form, slope intercept form with respect to y-intercept as well as x-intercept. Also, we have learned the equations of horizontal and vertical line. So let us see the intercept form of the equation of a line. So the intercept form is nothing but we know that any line can pass through x-axis and y-axis if it does not passes through the origin. So it has to intersect both x and y-axis at some point. So therefore here the point at which the line cuts the x-axis is A, which can be written in the form of A, 0. And the point at which the line intersects y-axis can be written in the form of B, which is 0, B. So thus here A indicates the x-intercept and B indicates the y-intercept. When the intercepts are given, the equation of a line can be written in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So let us take the problem. Find the equation of the line which makes an intercept -3 and 2 on the x and y axis respectively. So x-intercept is -3 and y-intercept is 2. So therefore the equation is given by x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, which is x by -3 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. So we'll get 2x minus 3y is equal to -6, or we can write it as 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the line. Hence we have learnt all the types of various form of equations of lines. So now let us take few problems related to it. Find the equation of the line that cuts off equal intercept of the coordinate axis and passes through the point 2, 3. So here the x-intercept and the y-intercept are both same. So here the point a, 0 and 0, b are the same. Means the distance of y-intercept is same as the distance of the x-intercept. So they have given it cuts off equal intercept. So here a is equal to b. We know that equation is given by x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So let us replace any value b as a or a as b. Then we will get x by a plus y by a is equal to 1 or x plus y is equal to a. So let me take this as equation 1. Now they have given this equation of line or this line passes through the point 2, 3. When I say the line is passing through this point, then the point will satisfy the given equation. So therefore, instead of x I can put 2, instead of y I can put 3. So if I substitute, then I'll get 2 plus 3 is equal to a, which implies a is equal to 5. So substituting the value of a in equation 1, we will get x plus y is equal to 5. So this is the equation of the required line. The next one, the vertices of triangle PQR are P2, 1, Q minus 2, 3 and R 4, 5. Find the equation of the median through the vertex R. So let us consider a triangle whose vertex are 4, 5, that is R, and P2, 1, Q minus 2, 3. So median through vertex R. So means we need to join the midpoint of PQ with respect to R. So let this be some point M. So I don't know this. let it be x comma y. So when I say to find the equation of the median through vertex R, that means the line joining point R with respect to the midpoint of PQ. So first I should know the coordinates of point M to find the equation of Rm. So using midpoint formula, the coordinate of x comma y can be written as x1 plus x2, that is 2 minus 2 by 2, and y1 plus by 2, 1 plus 3 by 2. So here you'll get it as 0 and 4 by 2 is 2. So therefore this point is 0, 2. Now I know the point is 0, 2. I need to find the equation of this line. So this I have to find out. So now you can clearly see this median is passing through 2 points. One point is 0, 2 and the other point is 4, 5. So when we have 2 points on the given line, we can calculate the slope of the line. So therefore, slope of Rm will be in the form of difference in y coordinate with respect to difference in x coordinate. So what is the difference in y coordinate? Y 5 minus 2 divided by difference in x coordinate 4 minus 0. So which will be in the form of 3 divided by 4. So this is the slope of the line Rm. Now using point slope form. So what does it say? If you know the point at which the line is passing and the slope of the given line, then we can write the equation of the line in the form of y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. We know that the line is passing through 2 points. One point is 4, 5 and the other point is 0, 2. That means we can take any point as in consider with respect to x1 and y1. Slope is already calculated. So I'll consider the point 0, 2. So therefore, here x1 is 0, y1 is 2. So y minus 2 is equal to 3 divided by 4 into x minus 0. So solving this, we get 4 into y minus 2 is equal to 3 into x. So 4y minus 8 is equal to 3x, or 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the median passing through the vertex R. Next one, find the equation of the line passing through minus 3, 5 and perpendicular to the line through the points 2, 5 and minus 3, 6. So we have 2 points, 2, 5 and minus 3, 6. A straight line is passing through these 2 points and the required line is passing through the point minus 3, 5, somewhere here. So let this be minus 3, 5. So it is passing through this point, somewhere like this. And it is also perpendicular to the other line. So this is the required equation of the line we are supposed to calculate, and it is perpendicular to the given line. So let us calculate the slope as well as the required point to find the equation of a line. Now let us consider the slope of this line. So slope of the line passing through (2, 5) and minus 3, 6 is m is equal to difference in y coordinates 6 minus 5 with respect to difference in x coordinate minus 3 minus 2, which will be equal to minus 1 by 5. Now our required line is perpendicular to this line, which means if two lines are perpendicular, the product of their slope is equal to minus 1. So therefore here, since two lines are perpendicular, we have m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So let me consider this as m1. That means the slope of this line is done. That is m1. I don't know m2. the slope of the required line. So therefore, M2 can be written as minus 1 by M1 or minus 1 divided by minus 1 by 5. So which will be equal to 5. So the slope of the required line can be taken as 5. And also they have given our required line is passing through the point minus 3, 5. We have a slope of the line and a point. So using point slope form, since the required line is passing through minus 3, 5, equation of line is y minus 5 is equal to m into x minus x1. That is, m is 5 here, 5 into x minus minus 3, which becomes plus 3. That is using point slope form. So we have a slope and we have a point. So then this can be written as y minus 5 is equal to 5x plus 15 or 5x minus y plus 15 plus 5 is equal to 0 or 5x minus y plus 20 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of a given line which is passing through the point minus 3, 5 and perpendicular to the line passing through 2, 5 and minus 3, 6. Next one, the perpendicular from the origin to a line meets it at the point minus 2, 9. Find the equation of the line. So this is our x and y axis. So the perpendicular from the origin to a line. So let me consider this as some line L. So we have a perpendicular here. Origin means this point is 0, 0. So this perpendicular meets the line at the point minus 2, 9. So what is the equation of this line? Now since here these two lines are perpendicular to each other, using the concept of slope, we can find the slope. And line L is passing through minus 2, 9. So therefore, using point slope form, we can find the equation of the line. Now, slope M1 is equal to 9 minus 0 by minus 2 minus 0, which is equal to minus 9 by 2. So therefore, lines are perpendicular to each other. So this implies the slope of the line M2, or we can say the slope of the line L with M2 is minus 1 by M1, because we know that if two lines are perpendicular, the product of their slope is equal to minus 1. So since I need M2, I can write it in the form of minus 1 by M1, which becomes minus 1 divided by minus 9 by 2, which on reciprocal become 2 by 9. Now since line L is passing through minus 2, 9, we have the equation of the line in the form of y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this is the required form of equation of the line. So if we consider x1 and y1 as minus 2, 9 and m as 2 by 9, then the equation becomes y minus 9 is equal to 2 by 9 x minus of minus 2, which becomes plus 2. So then the equation is 9y minus 81 2x plus 4, or 2x minus 9y. 81 becomes plus 81 plus 4 becomes plus 85 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the line. So in this session, we have learned the intercept form, and also we have found the equation of the line using the concept of perpendicular lines. I'll meet you in the next session with the new concept. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.